Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mia and I'm glad to see you today again. In this video I'm gonna show you how to do brow lamination all by yourself at home. Nothing special is needed. So let's see, I ordered this from Amazon and let's see how it will turn out. So I have to pause my video because of my dog. I need to get her away. She's getting too excited. Nelka. It'll be pretty fun. And yeah, I need to take that away. She's having too much fun with this ball. So that's what is inside. This is the instruction. It's not tested on animal. That's amazing. And we see all these tools we need. Perfect. So number 1, take a before picture. Number 2 is wash and sanitize your hands. I already did that. So number 3 is remove makeup and oil from your eyebrows using cleaner lotion. Number 5. Let's go for it. So one thing I want to mention is that you don't have to do brows before you start doing this. You don't shave them, don't do nothing that will make them red, because you have to do this after. So let's use this. Let's take off some of the makeup I have on my eyebrows. So the next thing we're gonna use this one. Gonna apply it to our eyebrows. And we need to brush it up the way we like to do it. And I'm gonna use this with that purpose. Just gonna brush it up because I love when they are so sharp, and use that type of look. Oh yeah, and you can use this thing inside the box for making sure that the hair is sticking up. It just depends on the type of the hair you have. For me, I don't really need that, but some of you guys might need this. So now it's time for cream number 2. So what I'm gonna do, we'll use it. So how to apply the cream easier to my brows. I'm gonna apply it and then brush it up. Next up, we need this plastic oil. We should apply it on top of our brows. It's kind of a flat piece, but sorry. It's important to cover the brows. So we're gonna wait for 6 to 10 minutes. It depends on your brows, but they really recommend to start from smaller amount of time if you do this for the first time. So now we're gonna remove permanent cream gently. And we're gonna apply this one. number 3. You should put enough of this one through all of the brows. Let's brush the brows up like we did before. For another 6 to 10 minutes. Now it's time to take it off again. I'm gonna use this cleanser, number 5, to take everything away. Just the regular cotton pad is fine for this. And if you guys run out of this cleanser, you can use any makeup remover for this purpose. Now it's time to apply nutrition, number 4, on your brows. I will use this one, but yeah, I'm not sure if it was made for this, but it just makes it easier, you know, to apply. It will make your brows really nice and hydrated. It's almost done. Look how beautiful they look. And now we just need to finish them by taking away all the hair we don't need. Now we can see the clear shape, so it's easy to do. So guys, that's the final look. And yeah, this is actually really good. I didn't expect my brows to turn out that good, but it looks very professionally made and I love the result. I hope you too. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you.